Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 15, Python Dictionary Advanced Operations. Python dictionaries have several built-in methods like keys, values, items, get, and update to manage data easily. The update method allows adding or modifying several key-value pairs at the same time. Existing keys update while new keys get added. Dictionaries support pop, pop item, and clear to remove elements. Pop removes by key. Pop item removes the last inserted pair. And clear empties the dictionary. You can copy a dictionary using the copy method. This creates a shallow copy, meaning nested data is still shared. You can loop through dictionary keys, values, or both using items. This helps in processing or displaying dictionary data. This diagram shows how dictionary operations update, remove, copy, or loop through data before the program ends. Here is an example demonstrating how to update dictionaries and remove items using the pop method. When this program runs, it displays the updated dictionary and the removed value. This example uses update to modify the age and add a new city key to the dictionary. The output of example 1, using update, is as follows. Name, Rahul, age, 22, city, Delhi. Here pop removes the key B and returns its value while the dictionary updates accordingly. The output of example 2, removing items, is as follows. 2, A, 1, C, 3. This example shows how copy creates a separate dictionary, so changes to one do not affect the other. The output of example 3, copying dictionaries, is as follows. X, 10, Y, 20, X, 10, Y, 20, Z, 30. This example loops through each key and value pair using the items method. The output of example 4, looping through items, is as follows. Name, Anita, course, Python, score, 90. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Use update to add 2 new key value pairs to a dictionary. Create a dictionary and call update with multiple key value pairs added at once. Exercise 2. Remove a key using pop and print both the removed value and updated dictionary. Call the pop method with a key and display the returned value and the dictionary afterwards. Exercise 3. Create a shallow copy of a dictionary and modify the copy. Use the copy method and add or change values in the copied dictionary. Exercise 4. Loop through a dictionary and print all keys and values using items. Use a for loop with key and value variables to print each pair. Exercise 5. Use clear to empty a dictionary and print the result. Call the clear method and print the dictionary to confirm it is empty. Thank you for watching episode 15. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.